Hi, I'm Jeff Selfies and I've worked for Tarkett for almost 50 years. That's why I'm excited to talk to you about our TruTEX luxury sheet flooring. TruTEX features new technology that provides superior performance in areas where moisture and mold are a concern, while delivering beyond tough strength. Just look how tough it is. What's really cool about this product is the installation. There are two recommended installation methods, full spread and floating. Now, I know most of you will want to glue this product down, but if you install using the floating installation method, we are able to provide a 2-year no questions asked AquaGuard warranty. So let's take a look at how easy it is to install TruTEX.
To install TruTEX, you will need to have these tools and materials handy. In order to install TruTEX, all substrates must be dry, clean, structurally sound, smooth and free from all existing adhesive residues. When installing TruTEX over an existing floor covering, the floor must be smooth, even, non-cushioned and well bonded to the substrate. For additional information regarding specific existing floor covering types, reference the Tarkett TruTEX installation manual. When installing TruTEX over single-layer wood construction or where the existing flooring covering may have minor defects, install TruTEX over ProSheet Plus 3 for improved performance and benefits. Flooring adhesive and elaborate substrate preparation are not required for this installation. TruTEX can be installed over imperfections in the substrate or flooring, greatly reducing the time normally spent preparing concrete and plywood subfloors. TruTEX floors are installed using one of two methods, either the floating method or the full spread installation method. In this video, we'll show TruTEX being installed over concrete using the floating installation system. To ensure best results, allow all materials time to acclimate to the temperature and humidity of the room. Next, remove the wall molding and door casings as needed. Sweep and vacuum or damp mop the substrate to remove all dust and debris. Measure the room to determine seam layout and cut size. Then pre-cut the flooring using your measurements. Add an additional 3 inches of extra material for trimming. Unroll the flooring into the space. Position the flooring so the pattern is aligned squarely with the walls. Let the flooring relax for 20 to 30 minutes to allow the material to lay completely flat. Using a sharp, sturdy utility knife, make relief cuts at the inside and outside corners. Trim the flooring around the edges of the room, leaving a 1/4 inch space between the flooring and all vertical structures, such as walls and cabinets. Now it is time to construct the seam using the floating installation system. Once the first piece of flooring is positioned, cut the second piece of flooring, leaving extra material for pattern match. Cut windows to ease the pattern alignment process. Overlap the seam edges and position the flooring for an exact pattern match. Place masking tape at the seam overlap to prevent the flooring from moving. After the second piece of flooring has been fit, lay a straight edge along the edge of the seam overlap or grout line and make a vertical cut through both sheets of flooring. It is important to ensure that you don't tilt the knife. Hold the knife perpendicular to the substrate. Lift to the top edge of the flooring and carefully remove the bottom salvage. Place the Tarkett S875 floating seam tape in the center of the seam. Position the flooring. Remove the release liner from the first half of the Tarkett S875 floating seam tape. Attach the first 6 inches of the seam. And while moving down the length of the seam, apply pressure to the floor to apply the tape while avoiding wrinkles. To begin installing the next sheet into the seam tape, cut the release liner near the center of the seam. Remove about 12 inches of the release liner and begin installing the sheet. Now it's time to begin sealing the seams using Tarkett DT65 Seam Sealer. Shake part B vigorously. Gently shake part A. Follow instructions for mix ratio depending on the size of the project. Add part A to the applicator bottle, followed by part B. Gently swirl the mixture together to avoid the creation of bubbles. Squeeze the applicator bottle to remove all excess air. Turn the bottle upside down while releasing the pressure. That will create a vacuum. Then begin sealing the seam. Now complete installing the TruTEX flooring throughout the room. Don't forget to install Tarkett residential wall base to finish the installation. Okay, now we're done, and we completed the TruTEX installation in a fraction of the time it would have taken to install other flooring. Remember that when you're finished, be sure to keep any traffic off the seams for at least 8 hours. Now let's take a look at how to install TruTEX in front of a tub or shower stall. Fit the flooring against the tub or stall with no gaps. Apply Tarkett S860 seam tape along the front of the tub or stall. Roll the tape with a 2-inch hand roller. Then remove the release liner and install the fitted flooring. Roll the installed system. For the rest of the walls and the toilet flange, maintain a 1/4 inch spacing between the flooring. Now apply a bead of silicone caulking in front of the bathtub or shower stall. And that's how easy it is to install TruTEX in front of a tub or shower stall. Care and maintenance. Now that you have a great-looking floor, you want to make sure that you keep it looking great year after year, and that requires proper care and maintenance. Make sure the legs of your furniture have proper rests and are large enough to prevent permanent indentations. To clean TruTEX, sweep with a soft brush or dust mop. When removing dirt and debris that can abrade or scratch the flooring, use a vacuum cleaner on the bare floor setting. When necessary, wash the floor with a neutral floor cleaner. If you happen to spill something on the flooring, wipe up the spill promptly and thoroughly with a clean, damp cloth. And unlike other flooring, it is easy to remove scuff marks from the surface of TruTEX.
That's how you install the amazing TruTEX luxury sheet flooring. For more detailed information, make sure you visit our website and read the installation manual. Thank you for being a Tarkett customer, and we hope you enjoy your new TruTEX flooring.